Shwmae ffrindiau a croeso yn ôl I Tyfu Cymraeg. Hello everyone and welcome back to Tyfu Cymraeg, where you can grow your Welsh a little bit at a time. And today we're going to be learning about chwaraeon or sports. Let's have a listen to some geirfa, some vocabulary. Gymnasteg, gymnastics. Sgrialu, skateboarding. Marchogaeth, horse riding. Criced, cricket. Hockey, hockey. Pêl-fasged, basketball. Bocsio, boxing. Eirafyrddio, snowboarding. Saethyddiaeth, archery. Hwylio, sailing. Dringo, climbing. Rasio ceir, motor racing. Athletau, athletics. Sglefrio ffigur, figure skating. Kayacio, kayaking. Trampolinio, trampolining. Golf, golf. Rhedeg, running. Tennis, tennis. Pêl-droed, football. Rygbi, rugby. Crefftau ymladd, martial arts. Sglefrio, skating. Pêl-volley, volleyball. Badminton, badminton. Pêl-fas, baseball. Tennis bwrdd, table tennis. Fensio, fencing. Sgïo, skiing. Nofio, swimming. Ras-glwydi, hurdling. Pêl-roed, netball. Now, I'd love to hear what chwaraeon you like to play or take part in. Perhaps what chwaraeon you used to take part in pan o chi'n blentyn when you were a child yn yr ysgol, in school. If you'd like to get in touch, you can do so all the social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, here on YouTube, over on Pinterest, or you can follow me on Coffee as well, which is ko-fi/Tyfu Cymraeg. If you'd like to have a bit of a practice of these chwaraeon, you can download the sports flashcard pack with a word search and some other little games and bits and pieces you can do. That's available over at the website tyfu-cymraeg.co.uk. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, as it helps me feel motivated to create more videos for you. If you have any questions, if there's something you don't understand, please do get in touch via the website. I'd always love to hear from you, and you can find out all the other bits and pieces that are going on as well. Hwyl am y tro, a diolch.